Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a super simple branded video with music for your Facebook business page like this one. As you can see here, it adds another layer of credibility and skill where your marketing is concerned. Anytime someone visits my Facebook page, they see this video, they see my logo here, it just adds a little bit of interest, and it also explains, what I'm doing. Now, I will tell you that when you have words like this, you can see it kind of looks like it's cut off here, but that's only on the desktop view. If you look on the mobile view, it's perfectly sized, so I wouldn't be too concerned about it not lining up there. So today, I want to create a similar video for my agency Facebook page. So I have this image now, which looks great. It matches and everything. But again, I want to add a video just to draw the eye and some interest. But before we get into that, if you're interested in starting an online business, but you don't want to spend all day cold messaging people, join my free digital marketing mentorship program for beginners. There you'll have access to the same free forever tools and training that helped me quit my full-time job in just 7 months. So make sure to visit my website, visionmarketinganddesign.com, to sign up and let me help you make your vision a reality. So today we're going to be creating a video for your Facebook business page. Unlike changing the cover for another image, creating a video that is the right length and size can be a challenge. So I'm going to show you a super simple software that I use to create branded videos and images. The coolest part, this software is totally free. You can create your free account at canva.com, canva.com. So the first thing we want to do after we create our account is choose the right size. So I'm going to come up here and click on Create a Design, and I'm going to choose Custom Dimensions. So the perfect size for a Facebook business page cover video would be 820 pixels by 462 pixels. So all we need to do is type that in and do Create Design. Once we have that set, we're going to just start with our perfectly sized blank canvas. Over to the left, you'll see some options to choose from. So the first thing we need to do is choose a video. So I'm just going to click Video, and you see there are tons and tons of stock videos that we can use that are non-copyrighted, so it's free for us to use. And I just want to type in a search term that would be relevant to my business. So since it's marketing, I'm just going to type in the word marketing and then see what comes up. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll through here and see what I can find. Now, with a Facebook cover video, it needs to be between 20 seconds and 120 seconds, okay? So you can see some of these videos are 15 seconds or 8 seconds. This one's 21. But I'm going to tell you how you can work around that, and it's super simple. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to choose this video here. And I'm just going to drag this up to the corner and just stretch it out so that it's the right size. You can see how simple this is. Okay, so now it's the perfect size, but we want to put a logo on here. So I'm going to go to my Uploads folder. And I already have mine, but if you don't, you can just simply choose Upload an Image or Video. So once I find my logo that I want to use, all I need to do is click on it to add it to the video. And you can customize this any way you want to. You can take the bottom words off if you want to shrink it down a little bit. You can do any of that just by dragging on the sides here. Canva makes this super simple to use. I'm going to shrink this down just a little bit. I don't want it to be so big. I'm just going to drag this to the corner so it's a little bit out of the way. I don't necessarily want to highlight my logo. I just want to brand it so no one can steal it from me. Okay, so now I have our video, I have the logo, now we need some music. So I'm just going to go to the left and click Music. And you have all of these different options here. You can listen to them simply by clicking the play button here and choose which ones you want. I'm going to just go ahead and choose Fireworks. And you can see it tells us up here how long it is. Now this one is 20 seconds, so that's perfect for a Facebook business page video cover. However, like I said, if this wasn't 20 seconds, I want to show you a super simple way that you can make it 20 seconds, okay? So all you need to do is come up here where they have the two squares together and just do copy page. Now, when you do that, all it does is just duplicate the page. So now you have 2 pages here. When you download this, all it's going to do is loop this video. Now, you could put a totally different video in here and kind of do a slideshow video. As long as you stay within that 120 seconds, you're good. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this because ours is 20 seconds. And then I'm going to download. So it automatically sets it to download video. This will be an MP4 file. And then we're going to go back to our business Facebook page here. And I'm going to just simply choose change cover, upload photo video. And from here, you can drag the video if you need to. Like I said, if it just doesn't look great on the desktop version, you just need to move it around a little bit, you can do that. But leaving it exactly how it is will look great on mobile. So we'll just go ahead and click next. You can hear our music is playing, and then we just want to publish. And there is our finished product. So that's all I have for you today. If you found some value in this video, please go to my website and join my free mentorship program for more tips and tricks that will put you on the fast track to making your vision a reality. I'll see you in my next video.